Hello students, so we'll move on to the next problem, that is third one. So the question, from the following particulars of the income of Sri Ram Gopal, compute his taxable income under the head of income from other sources for the year ended 31/3/2019. So the first point, he owns an agricultural land in Myanmar which gave him an insurance of rupees 25,000. During the year also owns a plot of a land in Agra which has been let out first story non-agricultural goods at rupees 1000 per month. He also has another plant of land on which village market on held this land fetched uh, in an income of rupees 2500 during the year. So the first point ali, he owns an agricultural land in Myanmar which gave him the income of rupees 25,000. Agricultural land in the Myanmar ali, it gave him the income of rupees 25,000. So this is taxable. Next, he also owns a plot of land in Agra which has been let out first story non-agricultural goods at 1000 per month. Let out land is 1000 per month. This is also taxable. Then he also has another plant or land on which village market is held, an income of rupees 20 to 2500 during the year. So this was the first point. So the second point, during the previous year management consultants services to the number of enterprises. This gave him the income of rupees 7500. So the third point, he has query in the Jaipur. He has let out Mr. A an royalty of rupees 0.25 paise per ton of the stone received in all 1000 ton of stone was raised in the previous year. He incurred an expenditure of rupees 4000 in connection with the owning of royalty. So the fourth point is amount received on as advance for transfer of capital asset rupees 50,000 due to failure of the contract. So these are the information given. So now answer, computation of income from other sources of Mr. Sri Gopal for assessment year 2019-20. So the first point is, first point, he owns an agricultural land in Myanmar. So this is taxable. First point, he owns an agricultural land in Myanmar, that is taxable, that is 25,000. Second one, he owns a plant of land in Agra which was being let out first story non-agricultural good, that is 1000 into 12, 1 year only 12 months, so 1000 into 12, that is 12,000. Next, third one, he also an another plant of land on which village market are held on land fetched in an income, that is 2500. Fourth one, management consistent services on number of enterprises given income, that is 75,000, that is also taxable. Next, he has a query in Jaipur. It is let out for 0.25 per ton. It is raised 10,000 into 0.25, that is 2500. Less stone was raised in previous year and in case incurs an expenditure. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ತಿಂಗಳ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೆಸ್ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ವಾಸ್ ರೈಸ್, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ expenditure of 400 will be less in this. So 2500 less 400, that is 2100. Sixth one, amount received on an advance for transfer of capital asset due to the failure of contract, that is 50,000. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ we have seen nothing more important. So ಈ question ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇತ್ತು, it was in sentence. So we have first seen which is taxable. So ಎಲ್ಲ taxable incomes ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. So that is a solution. So the total is 1,66,600. Okay, so this was the solution. Now we will move on to the fourth problem. Okay, so the question. Mr. Shankarlal's particulars of income are as under. So the first point, He looks a house on rent of rupees 1000 per month and let out it again for rupees 1600 per month. Beside it, he received 5000 rent from his ownership house. Second one, dividend from Indian company, that is 4000. Dividend from any company is exempted. So third one, speculation business profit is rupees 6000, that is exempted. Third one, less rupees 5000 from cricket gambling, that is tax. Gambling or any other games, that is taxable. Okay, so 5000 from cricket gambling, that is taxable. Fourth one, agricultural income in Pakistan rupees 10000 was not brought in India rupees 18000. In income from agricultural land situated in Kanpur, that is exempted. Any income from agricultural land in India is exempted. In other country is taxable. So agricultural income in Pakistan chargeable agutte. But any income from India, that is Kanpur is in India. So income, agricultural income from India agitre, that is exempted. Next, fifth one, salary as MLA rupees 30,000 on daily allowance rupees 4,000. So sixth one, share of Hindu undivided family rupees 8,500. So seventh one, dividend received rupees 6,000 from cooperative society. So this is also taxable. So share of Hindu undivided family income, that is exempted. So from all this given information, compute income from other sources. So computation of income from other sources. So computation of income from other sources of Mr. Shankar Lal for assessment year 2019 and 20. So particulars amount. So the first one, income from subletting a house rent received 1600 into 12. 1600 into 1 month. So 1600 into 12, that is 19,200. Less rent paid. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಂಟ್ ಪೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ 1000 ಇಂಟು 12. ಸೊ 12,000, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 7,200. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಓನ್ ಹೌಸ್. ರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಓನ್ ಹೌಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದನ್ನ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಕಂಪನಿ. ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಕಂಪನಿಯಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಂಪ್ಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಗೇನ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಗೇನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್. ಸೊ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್, ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮ್ಲಿಂಗ್. ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮ್ಲಿಂಗಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಬಲ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 5000. ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್, ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ್. ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನಿಂದ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಬಲ್. ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ಮು ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಲಿ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಬಲ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಂಪ್ಟೆಡ್. ಬಟ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 10,000, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಬಲ್. Agricultural income from Kanpur, that is exempted. Salary of MLA, daily allowance, that is Shankar Lal, that is exempted. That is 30,000, sorry. Salary of MLA 30,000. Next, share of income, that is Hindu undivided family, exempted. Share, then next, dividend from cooperative society, that is 6,000. So the total income from other sources is 58,200. So this was the solution of income from other sources. So this was the third problem. So now we'll move on to the fifth problem. So the fifth problem, the question, Mr. Peace, during the year ended 31/3/2019 are as follows. So these are the information given. So first point, 7% government securities 25,000, that is taxable. Second one, 8% Agra municipal bonds rupees 15,000, taxable. Third point, 9% Bombay part trust bonds 20,000, that is taxable. 7% government bonds rupees 18,000, taxable. 6% securities of foreign government 15,000, that is taxable. Sixth one, interest credited to Sukanya Samrudh account, that is 3000. Interest credited Sukanya Samrudh amount account, that is 3000, that is exempted. So seventh one, he paid rupees 60 as commission for collecting the taxable interest on securities and rupees 1200 as interest on loan which he had taken for the purpose of purchasing the Bombay Part Trust bonds. So find out the income find out the income from other sources of Mr. Pesci for the assessment year 2019-20. So this was the question. So the answer, computation of income from other sources, for computation of total income from other sources. So particulars amount. So the first one was 7% government securities, we write same as it is, that is taxable, that is 25,000, same as it is we have written. So the second point, 8% Agra municipal bonds, 15,000 taxable. Third point, 9% Bombay Part Trust bond, 20,000, that is taxable. Fourth point, 7% government bond, that is 18,000 taxable, we have to write same as it is. Fifth point, 6% securities of foreign government, 15,000 taxable. Sixth point, interest credited to Sukanya Samruddha account, that is exempted. Then gross income of Mr. Pesci, that is 1993,000. So this was the gross income. For getting a net income, gross income less deduction will get net income. So deductions, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ deductions ಇದೆ? So deductions ಅಲ್ಲಿ commission for collecting the taxable securities 60. Second one, interest on loan on Bombay Part or trust bond, that is 12,200. So 60 plus 1,200, that is 12,060. So that is deductions. So net income is 91,740. So in this question we are writing the same information given there to here, but we are seeing which is exempted. ಯಾವುದು ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಾವುದು ಎಕ್ಸೆಂಪ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಥರ್ಡ್, ಫೋರ್ತ್, ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಬಲ್. So sixth point, that is interest credited to Sukanya Samruddha account 3,000, that is exempted. So ಇದು exempted ಆಗಿತ್ತು. Next, he paid commission ಇದೆ, commission, so that commission was in the deductions. Okay, so net income, gross income 93,000. So gross income less deductions, net income is 91,740. So this was the fifth problem. So now we'll move on to the sixth problem, that is okay, now we'll see the seventh problem. Okay, so sixth problem we'll solve in the next class. Okay, so seventh problem. No, sorry, we are going to solve sixth problem only. I was just confused. So now sixth problem. Following are the income of Mr. Sita for the previous year 2018-19. Compute income from other sources for the assessment year 2019-20. So istella points ide. So idralli we have to note down which is exempted and which is taxable and what are the deductions allowed. Okay, so first point, dividend received on Indian company, that is 8,950. This is exempted. Income, dividend received in Indian company, that is exempted. Second point, winning from lottery amount received 70,000, that is 70,000, and TDS 30,000. So 70,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ TDS ನ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ we have to write, that is taxable. Winning from car game 20,000, that is taxable. Winning from car game, that is 20,000 taxable. Fourth point, interest received on government securities 10,000 taxable. Family pension received 48,000, that is taxable. Next, she incurred the following expenses: interest paid on amount borrowed for purchasing a share of rupees 5,000, that is expenses. Next, collection charges in respect of government securities at 2% on amount calculated. Purchasing of lottery ticket 100. So computation of income from other sources of Mr. Site for the assessment year 2019-20. So the particulars and amount. So the particulars and amount. So the first one, dividend from Indian company. Dividend from Indian company is exempted. Second one, winning from lottery. Winning from lottery 70,000, but ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿ ಡಿ ಎಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು 30,000. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 70,000 plus 30,000 will get 1 lakh. Next, third point, interest received from government securities. Interest received from government securities. Interest received from government securities, that is 10,000, less 2% collection charges on interest on government securities. 10,000 into 2%, that is 200, 9,800. Next, winning from car game, that is 20,000 taxable, ಹಂಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ direct. Then fifth point, family pension received 48,000, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಸ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ವ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ 1/3 of 48,000, that is 15,000. That is next. Sixth point, purchase of lottery ticket. Purchase of lottery ticket, that is not deductible. So total income from other sources is 1,62,800. So 1,62,800 is the total income from other sources. So this was the sixth problem of income from other sources. So now we'll see the seventh problem. It is also a small problem. Okay, so seventh one, Mr. K